there everybody. In today's video I have this Suzuki SX4 2007, and we're just gonna have a quick look at the location of the pollen filter. Now if you go to the passenger side and you open the glove box, you just need to bend this in a little bit and the other side and bring the glove box down. So it's a little bit hard to do it with one hand, but basically we're just trying to get this bit out, and same on the other side. Okay, now you have access to this area here, and you will find that the pollen filter is in this little box here. Now what we need to do is just pull on that little clip there, and on the one on the side, and take this cover out. So that's the little clip, that little lever there, just pull it open. Same here, so just opening it like that, and then make a note of how this is fitted. The arrows are pointing down, and you can then remove this pollen filter from there. Just a little bit stuck in there, but and that is a blueprint. You can see the part number ADH22505. Okay, so that's pretty dirty. That definitely needs replacing, but I haven't got one today. So as soon as I get one, I will be replacing that. But once you get your new filter, just push it back in there. And get your little cover back on. That clips in there and it's holding in there, and that's it. Then we can push this back up and close it, and that's pretty much it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.